I am Dr. Bheemappa, Assistant Professor of English. I am working in the Government First Grade College for Women, Davangere. So, my presentation topic is recent advancements and changes due to Corona pandemic. Turmoil among students. This is the topic what I am going to present the paper. See, in the 21st century, interactive media have been rapidly replacing traditional media and modes of communication. Often, these new media are contrasted to old media like TV, radio, print media, and such other things. These new media this new media does not include among broadcast TV programs, feature films, magazines, or books, unless they contain technologies that enable digital digital generative or interactive process. See, these interactive media technologies and applications are appearing, are found everywhere. They may be considered as a ubiquitous feature of our daily life. They span almost interpersonal, organizational, and mass levels of communication. Their use is stimulated and enhanced by such popular manifestations such as touchscreen mobile devices. They may be iPhone, Apple phones, iPad, and tabs, and such other things, including Wi-Fi and Microsoft technologies. Nowadays, these interactings with different media in almost all aspects of our life, including communication and entertainment and formal education, have been very common. See, research indicates that students are using interactive media to grapple with many normative offline developmental issues such as identity development, peer interaction, relationship building, and learning. So, technology has created a new dimension for visual teaching and learning with web delivered interactive media. Web delivered interactive media. So, these virtual labs are also the project have embraced this technology nowadays. So, what I am going to say first, let us see what do you mean by corona or coronavirus. These coronaviruses are a group of related RNA viruses that can cause diseases in mammals, and birds. In humans, these viruses cause respiratory tract infections that can range from mild to lethal. Mild illness include some cases of common cold. Usually, what we come across cause SARS, MERS, COVID 19. Symptoms in other species vary. In chickens, they cause an upper respiratory tract disease, while in cows and pigs, that means in animals, they cause diarrhea. So, COVID pandemic, what we call, has exposed the vulnerabilities of India's healthcare system. This has seen clearly in 2020. It has also exposed the inadequacy of India's university system about the studies too. Most of people infected by this COVID 19 virus that experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recovery without requiring special treatment. Usually, older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardio, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory diseases, cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The best way to prevent, that means the best way to prevent this disease, usually we have to follow at least three things to be in mind. One is wearing mask, maintaining the social distance, and also cleaning a regular cleaning of our hands. So this COVID 19 spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharged from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. So it is important to practice such habits. Coronavirus outbreak has changed definitely our life. It has disrupted our lives of all students, high school level, college level, degree level students. So the advancements can be seen as these effects. They had to stay at home, and they had to incline automatically towards what we call what the depending on the Zoom apps or Google Meets. So Google Meet and Zoom have become primary social platforms for millions of students and even other people also. Lot of them high school and college level students. So this pandemic has already cost universities millions of dollars, as they consider the possibility of remote classes into the fall. They are worried about losing students. So automatically the university professors or university the officers also, they are inclining towards these technologies, and they are asking for using these Zoom or Google Meet or such other technologies for listening teaching. Then what will be the future of rest of the students? Many rural students lack the connections of these technologies or what you can say network. So the spread of coronavirus is shutting down our school systems across the country, across the world. So we can say that some of the impacts on the lives of all people, particularly on students. It may be the impacts may be physically or emotionally or even what psychologically, and what on financially too. So it is the best thing, whatever the help can be possible to others, we should help them. At the same time, we have to follow the slogan social distance is a friend, because it is proven to help drastically. So maintain the social distance. Then we have the ability how to help our friends, families, elders, people with illness in our community, and people with high risks of getting the this virus. We can also accomplish this by simply observing who may need help for anything. So helping is another thing, but how we are going to completely inclining towards the mobiles and such other networks because of this COVID. So to conclude, what I am going to say, our best to help and encourage others. At the same time, we should all our best to help and encourage each other with healthy habits and staying positive. and as long as we all contribute and help one another, we will be able to keep things under control. I believe that this horrible trouble we are all put into is teaching our younger generations. This is important. Teaching our younger generations to be prepared when these unexpected events happen. We can, so in my opinion, online classes definitely have been a stressful process for many students, of course. Some live in an area where internet access or Wi-Fi are hard to get, but as a result, many students have shared their stress about it already. We have experienced. Students are often anxious that they will not be able to join and maintain access to online classes because of these problems. Working at home is hard for many students, of course, but normally at colleges, students are able to focus as it is work environment and they are constantly communicating face to face with those around others. So many students want to get up and go out outside and stop staring at iPod, mobile phones. It gives them headaches and such other health problems. Many of teachers have been seemingly understanding of these issues caused by online classes. But whatever may be the disadvantages of these online classes, definitely, as these days are very dangerous to go out or to go and attend the classes in the colleges or schools, it is inevitable to adapt and addict towards the online classes. So, in these pandemic days, as these pandemic days have been limited, the learning it is best learning through vocal for local, local for global. So this is what I have presented on the paper. My intention is we must adopt and addict to the online classes. We should tell others these things also. So thank you.